Weather Rate certified 11 years in a row.
All right, happy Thursday, Utah. Where it is Thursday, that means we have new numbers for the drought monitor. In fact, checking in on where we stand currently, there's really no change from last week. So this gets updated every Thursday morning. Notice a lot of the percentages are still the same. So unfortunately, 100% of us still in the severe drought category, extreme drought, 84% of the state, and 8% of the state still in exceptional drought. You can see in the central, south central portion of Utah, areas that are seeing a lot more shower activity with the monsoon, fortunately, but really haven't made much of a dent within the last week. Hopefully we can make some more ground as we continue to see showers and storms in the forecast. So what can we expect up north? Well, we've had hot and dry conditions. In fact, we had another triple-digit day yesterday. Talked about what significant record could we break today if we hit 100. Well, that's going to put us at the most ever number of triple-digit days in a July. We hit 15 yesterday, which tied the old record of 1960. This summer we've had 18 triple-digit days. Last summer we had 21, which was a new record. So we're well on our way, especially as you can see we've got more triple-digit days in the forecast in the next 5 to 7 days. In fact, today 100 is the forecast. Average high is about 95, 96. 98 tomorrow, slightly cooler, maybe a stray storm. And then we're 100 to 102 Saturday and Sunday. Really hot on Sunday as the high pressure moves over the top of Utah. And then we should see a storm system maybe get a little bit of relief as we get into next week. So the ridge currently situated off to the west, bringing the heat today. We are seeing a bit of a northwest flow, so it's a little hazy out there, of course, today, thanks to some of the fires with the circulation pattern burning off to the west of us. Some of that smoke's being transported into northern Utah. Meanwhile, the monsoon moisture is surging northward from the southeast. Even with the ridge building in place tomorrow and moving eastward into Saturday, we're still going to see a little bit of moisture trickle into northern portions of Utah. In fact, radar's pretty quiet currently, but models early this afternoon are getting pretty excited about a slug of moisture over much of the Canyonland areas, the Uinta Basin, and the Uintas itself could generate some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, flood potential or flood watch is just over southern Utah, but certainly some of these storms could create flash flooding that do form, and we might see an isolated storm pass through portions of northern Utah later this evening. There is a risk with the fire outlook for potential dry lightning could cause some fire concerns as well, and we'll see a similar setup into Friday. We're going to throw in a slight chance of some showers in the Wasatch Front. Could make some bring some much needed rain. Not looking like a lot. Still going to be hot tomorrow. Not quite triple-digit territory, but upper 90s. 98 in St. George. Plan on St. George looking at upper 90s near the century mark as we get into the weekend. Should be in the upper 90s again next week, but chance of thunderstorms is sticking around into next week as well. Wasatch Front, triple-digit heat today. Saturday, Sunday, talked about the heat. Slight chance of moisture Friday. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday next week. More average temperatures. Looking forward to that as well. Hey, be sure to download CBS weather or